Adidas shoes are known for their innovation, performance, and style, but what exactly goes into making them? From cutting-edge designs to sustainable materials, each pair reflects a meticulous production process. But does that justify the price tag? Today, on How It's Manufactured, we'll take you inside the world of Adidas and explore how these iconic shoes are brought to life, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand the technology, craftsmanship, and sustainability that go into every pair. If you're as curious about manufacturing as we are, make sure to like this video and subscribe to How It's Manufactured for more fascinating explorations. Now let's step into the factory and see how Adidas turns ideas into reality. Every Adidas shoe begins at the design table, where creativity meets cutting-edge technology. Designers research athletic needs and current trends to create shoes for every occasion, whether it's high-performance sports or everyday comfort. Advanced software helps designers craft digital prototypes. This allows them to fine-tune every detail, from the curve of the sole to the breathability of the upper, without wasting materials on physical samples. Designers work alongside engineers and biomechanical experts to ensure every shoe delivers maximum comfort, support, and durability. Technologies like Boost midsoles and Primeknit uppers are seamlessly integrated at this stage. Adidas is committed to high-quality materials that meet both performance and sustainability goals. Key components include breathable Primeknit fabric, durable continental rubber soles, and revolutionary Boost foam for cushioning. Adidas collaborates with Parley for the oceans to incorporate recycled ocean plastics into their shoes. Some models, like the Futurecraft Loop, are fully recyclable, representing Adidas's commitment to eco-friendly innovation. Every material undergoes strict testing for durability and performance, and Adidas ensures ethical labor practices throughout their supply chain. By focusing on sustainability and quality, Adidas creates shoes that are built to last while reducing environmental impact. Now let's step inside the factory and see how Adidas turns designs into finished products. Materials like fabric and rubber are laser cut to exact specifications, ensuring uniformity and reducing waste. Advanced knitting machines create seamless uppers that provide a sock-like fit while minimizing excess material. The iconic Boost midsoles are made by expanding thermoplastic beads into molds. This creates the lightweight, energy-returning cushioning that Adidas is famous for. Each component, uppers, midsoles, and outsoles, comes together on the assembly line. Skilled workers and advanced robotics ensure every shoe is perfectly constructed. Before leaving the factory, each pair undergoes strict quality checks, including durability and flexibility testing, to meet Adidas's high standards. Many Adidas factories are powered by renewable energy sources, further reducing their carbon footprint. Initiatives like the Futurecraft Loop aim to create a closed-loop system where worn-out shoes are recycled into new products. By focusing on eco-friendly practices, Adidas ensures their products align with the values of today's environmentally conscious consumers. Every Adidas shoe is the result of meticulous design, sustainable sourcing, and advanced manufacturing. Whether it's a pair of Ultra Boosts for running or Superstars for everyday style, you're stepping into a product that reflects decades of innovation and responsibility. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Adidas manufacturing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How It's Manufactured for more fascinating insights into how your favorite products are made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of How It's Manufactured. YouTube thinks you might be interested in this video next.